Good afternoon, students. On behalf of Unique Edu Center, we are here to teach you the online classes. Here today, I am going to finish the first chapter of social science subject economics, the development. In my two previous classes, I explained that what is the meaning of development, how it is calculated, and in this calculation, first criteria was per capita income, and per capita income, that means total GDP will be divided by the total population of that country, and we shall get the per capita income, and different level of per capita income which indicates which country is developed, underdeveloped or developing. Other than per capita income, we also discussed about the education system, health system, which are some indices that is calculated whether a country is developed, underdeveloped or developing. In this point, we left a few little point that is related to the health, that is known as BMI, that is body mass index. BMI, body mass index. Body mass index that indicates the health quality of the people of the country. So how it is calculated? The calculation of body mass index is very easy. You have to calculate the height of any person in meter and take the reading of that person, the weight in kg. The total weight of that person in kg when divided by his or her height in meter square, then what will be the figure that you will get? That will be the body mass index. If according to our age and height, if the body mass index is less than 18.5, less than 18.5, it is BMI is less than 18.5, that person is undernourished. That means that person has nutrition problem. As a whole, over a country, if the average body mass index is less than this, then that will be considered the maximum people of that country is undernourished. That means their health condition is not good. On the other hand, if the body mass index is greater than 25, then it will be considered as obesity, that is overweight. That is also not good for the health condition of any person. If the average is more than 25, that means maximum people are overweighted. That means they will be lethargic and their work ability will be lesser than the normal fit person. That is the another point related to the development. Now, the last 2 points, that is of any country, the if whatever your monetary strength it is, money cannot buy everything that you want. That means normally money can purchase the comfort but not the peace of mind. So in this regard, whatever the mental health of the people, that is also calculated regarding to the development of the country at present scenario. Other than to help the people below the normal economic condition, that is they are considered as in our country the below poverty line, and the persons those who are having lesser income than the BPL, So there are different categorized. So these peoples also is to be taken care of, and our government has given so much facilities of these people to develop themselves through the PDS. PDS means PDS, public distribution system. In this system, different categories people of our country getting the government supply in lieu of money, and in some cases free of cost. Different level, free of cost. This public distribution system working in our country, and in this system peoples are provided of the food grains and other basic necessary items. This is also another point of the development, how many people of this system are taking facilities. So these are the points that should be considered to calculate or give a clear idea about whether a country is developed or underdeveloped or developing. We have to taken care of, or we have to look after all these points that I discussed. So in this system, United Nations, by taking consideration of these all points, United Nations has in development index, 1 points are given for this each and every point for every country, and on behalf of this there are countries are given serial according to their points, and in that report we come to know about this, which country is on the top of the list and which countries are in the below of the list. In this regard, whatever the list United Nations disclose, that is Human Development Index or Human Development Report that is given, and it is known as HDI, Human Development Index or HDR. We get it in Human Development Report. We get it in Human Development Report of the United Nations, and the points that is given to the country according to the discussion that I had done in this class and previous 2 classes, the point that is given, that is known as index. So in this rank, in this category, our country ranked 132 out of 100, around 200 countries registered in United Nations in Human Development Index, and our neighboring country, that is Sri Lanka, it ranks 93 in the present ranking, and other you will get a chart of the first chapter according to United Nations which country ranks what. At the last of this chapter, what we have to discuss, development is necessary. Development is necessary. Without development, a country cannot progress. We are not satisfied what we are today, because we need more. Day to day our wanting is increasing, because our want is endless. That is why development is necessary. Due to this hunger that I want more, when it becomes higher and higher and higher, that causes a problem to our environment, which destroys our environment, and as well as it creates a disturbance in the balance of nature. Heavy development, we are destroying our forest, we are destroying our cultivating land. That is why our food grains, crisis of food grains, and air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and due to this we are suffering global warming in all over the world. So that is creating a lot of problem to our environment due to the overdevelopment. So sustainable development is acceptable. That is, we should develop, and the whole world should be developed, but without disturbing the nature. Any kind of development that sustains, that means that starts or ends without disturbing the nature, that kind of development is known as sustainable development. So this is the end of the chapter, and if you need any queries or any question, you can submit your question through our web portal, so that we can give you the answer. Thank you all.